Supreme Court now considering a very bizarre case today. The town of Chester is trying to force an 82-year-old woman to exhume her late husband's body, which is buried right on her property. News 8's Jamie Muro live at the state Supreme Court today with the latest on that. Jamie.
Well, Keith, according to Elise Piquet's attorney in his arguments before the Supreme Court justices here in Connecticut, one key point to this case may come from a letter that was sent to Elise Piquet a year after her husband died. It was a letter stating that they were withdrawing, the town was withdrawing a cease and desist order. That letter came in 2005. Now, the letter came 1 year after Christopher Dahl, that's Elise's husband, was buried in the backyard of their Chester home. The town attorney says the burial violates state health codes and zoning ordinances, and Elise Piquet never went to the Zoning Board of Appeals to get a variance for the burial. However, Elise is driven, she says it today, to let her husband rest in peace right where he is.
Absolutely never. Never. He's only bones in an old box. That to me is sacrilege. Absolute sacrilege. And this is what really made me furious with the town. I've lived in this town for over 42 years. I've given a lot of money to the library. I've been involved in town affairs. And to think that they would even consider trying to force me to dig up my husband, I just think it's pretty low.
Now, how this works is the justices will come back with a decision. It could take a month, it could take 3 months. If it ruled in favor of Elise Piquet, who you just saw speaking there, it would then probably be sent down to another appellate court and then retried. So the journey still has a long way to go. However, if the town wins, it holds as ordinance, then Ms. Piquet would have to find somewhere else to inter her late husband. Much more for you on this coming up tonight at 5 and 6 o'clock. For now, though, we're live in Hartford outside the Supreme Court here. I'm Jamie Muro, News 8.